Benefits of baby oil massage: magical impact on baby sleep, bones, weight, and overall growth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, My Mum's Choice. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of baby oil massage. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice can have a magical impact on your baby's sleep, bones, weight, and overall growth. So, stay tuned as we delve into these amazing benefits. Improved sleep. Let's start with point number 1: improved sleep. As parents, we all know the importance of a good night's sleep for our little ones. Baby oil massage can work wonders in ensuring your baby sleeps soundly through the night. When you gently massage your baby with baby oil before bedtime, it helps relax their muscles and calm their nerves. This soothing ritual sends a signal to their body that it's time to wind down, making it easier for them to fall asleep and enjoy a restful slumber. Stronger bones. Moving on to point number 2: stronger bones. Babies go through rapid bone development during their early years, and baby oil massage plays a vital role in this process. Massaging your baby's limbs with baby oil helps stimulate blood flow and encourages the growth of healthy bones. The gentle pressure applied during the massage promotes the development of strong and sturdy bones, which is crucial for your baby's overall well-being. Healthy weight gain. Now, let's talk about point number 3: healthy weight gain. Many parents worry about their baby's weight, especially in the early months. Baby oil massage can be a game changer. When you massage your baby's body with nourishing baby oil, it can improve their appetite and digestion. This, in turn, helps them gain weight in a healthy and gradual manner. It's a natural way to ensure that your baby is thriving and growing as they should. Overall growth. Last but not least, point number 4: overall growth. Baby oil massage isn't just about physical benefits, it also contributes to your baby's holistic development. The skin-to-skin contact during massage strengthens the emotional bond between you and your baby. It promotes a sense of security and comfort, which is essential for their emotional well-being. A happy and content baby is more likely to experience positive overall growth in various aspects of their life. In conclusion, the benefits of baby oil massage are truly magical. It enhances your baby's sleep quality, strengthens their bones, supports healthy weight gain, and contributes to their overall growth. So, don't underestimate the power of this simple and loving practice. Give your baby the gift of a soothing massage and watch them thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.